पणजी कांपान हांगा कला अकादमी लागसार आशिल्ल्या 80 वर्सां आदले लायट हाऊस अत्यंत वायट स्थितीत आसा। पोर्तुगीज काळात बांदिल्ल्या ह्या लायट हाऊसाचेर जायते कडेन सिमेंट गेला आनी भितरल्या चरयांक कळम आयल्या। पळयात आशिल्लो रिपोर्ट।
पणजी कंपाल हांगा कला अकादमी लागसार आशिल्ले 80 वर्सां आदले लायट हाऊस अत्यंत वायट स्थितीत आसा। कला अकादमी फाटल्यान मांडवीच्या तोंडार बांदिल्ले हे लायट हाऊस तातडीन उपाय योजना केली ना जाल्यार मोडून पडपाक शकता। इतिहास अध्यापक प्रज्वल साकळदांडे हाच्या मता प्रमाण ही वास्तू तांच्या वारसाक महत्वा खातीर सरकारान सांबाळून धरपाक जाय। ताची जाता तितले बेगीन दुरुस्ती करून ताका घडपान हाडपाक जाय। पण ते आता खतरनाक स्थितीत आसा असो तर्क दिवन हे इतिहासीक लायट हाऊस मोडपाचो प्रयत्न चल्लात अशें साकळदांडे हांणी सांगले।
दिस पर्टिक्युलर लायट हाऊस 1944 हे वर सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर चलताले आणि 1943 हिटलराचे नाझी स्पाइज वर कॉट इन द मोर्मुगांव हार्बर. So I am just trying to connect whether there is some kind of connection because there was Second World War going on and all the Portuguese were maybe Portugal was neutral, but maybe they were intimidated by the fact that the enemy this like German ships which had already come in 1943. So immediately after that 1944 it was constructed. So maybe that is the reason it was constructed. Now today the condition of the lighthouse is in a very dilapidated, precarious condition. It can fall any time. In fact, आमचे गोवा हेरिटेज ग्रुप पूनम वर्मा मास्टरान मागीर आयसीन पिंडो आमी हांगा येवन इन्स्पेक्शन केल्ले आनी रिपोर्ट सुद्धा धाडिल्लो तेन्ना. So according to them, this particular lighthouse has to be demolished and rebuilt. But I have a little difference of opinion in the sense, if we can strengthen this lighthouse, instead of demolishing it, if we can strengthen it by reinforce it, providing the right way of strengthening it, it could be preserved as it is, but it has to be properly conserved. तशें जर जावपाक शकता एक प्रयत्न करपाक जाय Panjim municipality, because I think it comes under the jurisdiction of Panjim municipality, and I feel while they have beautified all this, they also need to look at the lighthouses because it is a heritage monument. It's a historical monument. It looks good overlooking the Mandovi river.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर सिनियर जर्नलिस्ट नीरज नाईक।